One of the early successes of iNetZ Plus is the Eco-AI project, which is an acronym for Enabling CO2 Storage and Capture Using AI. It's a partnership between the geoscience part of the iNetZ Plus and the computational chemistry part in another school, EPS, where iNetZ Plus creates the umbrella for collaboration between these two teams. And we augmented that with collaborations from the Edinburgh Business School at Heriot-Watt. So we cover 3 research themes within the carbon capture and storage pipeline.
One of the great challenges in the move to a more sustainable economy and progression to net zero and beyond within our economy is our manufacturing industry, not just in the energy that's used, but also in the materials we manufacture from. It's crucial that we move from manufacturing from fossil carbon into manufacturing from more renewable resources, and that means moving into the space of renewable and bio-based materials to manufacture from. Our research groups at Heriot-Watt work closely with the brewing and distilling industry to, for example, explore opportunities for greener and more sustainable fuels for the stills, such as hydrogen, or looking at making better use of some of the many byproducts from the distillation process.
We are really working very much in technologies which can be developed and deployed for the production of hydrogen, for the storage of hydrogen, as well as transportation of hydrogen. Through collaboration, we have already started laying the groundwork for mass adoption of hydrogen technology globally.
Net zero doesn't happen within a single firm. It happens as a result of a number of different stakeholders collaborating together to create this ecosystem. We're helping UK SMEs to adapt to cutting-edge digital technologies, boosting both sustainability and competitiveness.
iNetZ Plus facilitates the collaboration because it brings people together, and one of the least known superpowers of a university is its convening powers. So we're often trusted partners, and we bring people together and we create solutions and we take on board different ideas when we do that.